Hello and welcome back to a very cold and fluey Film It Friday. Yes, I've been really ill, but I still want to put a video out this week and hopefully this is going to help some people out. So just after Loupedeck announced they were going to be supporting Premiere Pro, I made this video to show you how to set up your Loupedeck so it would actually work with Premiere. The problem is a couple of people have commented saying that there's a specific file that's actually missing after they've installed it. This is a Windows only problem, doesn't seem to affect Macs, so today I'm just going to show you how you can solve that issue. So I don't know why this happens, but occasionally this file doesn't get put into the right folder when you install the driver for the Loupedeck. The file will be in the link in the description, so you just have to download it from there. Go to your local disk, your C drive, and go to Program Files, then to Adobe, then Adobe 2018, then go down to Plugins, and go to Control Surface. And this is the suspect file which is usually missing, and basically this means that your Loupedeck won't appear under your Control Surface tab within Premiere Pro. So all you need to do is close Premiere down, you need to download this file, copy it and paste it into this location. So you just need to start your Premiere back up from scratch, go to Preferences, go to Control Surface, and now when you click Add, you should see Loupedeck in this drop-down menu. So I hope you found that video informative and helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe so you never miss an episode of Film It Friday. I will be back to normal next week, hopefully when I'm not feeling so ill. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.